Spanish companies work with Moroccan clients every day in energy, construction, engineering, technology, and more. And almost every time, one question appears: if my company works for a Moroccan client, will they apply withholding tax on my invoice? The truth is simple: sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the type of work you provide and how the Morocco-Spain tax treaty from 1978 applies. In this video, we break everything down with 4 real examples, so you know exactly when Morocco can apply withholding tax and when it cannot. Imagine the first case: a Moroccan factory calls a Spanish maintenance company to repair a machine. 2 engineers travel to Morocco for only 5 days. They don't rent an office, they don't hire staff. They don't keep any tools in the country. It is a short, temporary mission. Under the treaty, this does not create a permanent establishment, and because there is no permanent establishment, the income is taxed only in Spain. Morocco cannot apply withholding tax. The Spanish company receives the full invoice amount and declares the revenue in Spain. A short mission is a simple service, not a branch. Now take a different situation. A Spanish engineering firm prepares a full technical study for a Moroccan solar project. This study includes calculations, diagrams, and conclusions, and the Moroccan client can use it later without the Spanish team. This is not the same as a short visit. This is knowledge that creates value. The treaty considers this type of work a royalty. Morocco can apply a 10% withholding tax, and Spain will later give a tax credit for exactly the same amount. The company is not taxed twice, but Morocco keeps the 10%. When you provide a complete study or report, you are selling intellectual work, not just a service. Another example is software. A Spanish tech company gives a Moroccan client the right to use its project management platform. The client pays an annual fee to use the software. Under the treaty, payments for software licenses are also royalties. Morocco can apply a 10% withholding tax, and Spain gives the credit later. When a Moroccan client pays to use your technology or system, the income is treated as a royalty, not a normal service. The fourth case involves training and know-how. A Spanish renewable energy company sends specialists to Morocco to train engineers. The tax result depends on the type of knowledge being transferred. If the training simply shows how to operate equipment and does not give any confidential technique, it is a normal service and Morocco cannot apply withholding tax. But if the Spanish team transfers a method, a technique, or know-how that the Moroccan engineers can reuse independently, then it becomes a royalty. In this case, Morocco can apply a 10% withholding tax. The rule is simple: if you teach reusable knowledge, it is a royalty. If you only show how to operate machinery, it is a service. Putting all these examples together, the idea becomes very clear. Short missions and operational training fall under Article 7 and are taxed only in Spain, meaning no Moroccan withholding tax. Technical studies, software licenses, and reusable know-how fall under Article 12, and Morocco is allowed to take 10%. Spain then credits that amount to avoid double taxation. In other words, doing the work is one thing. Selling knowledge is another, and each one follows a different tax rule. Before you invoice your Moroccan client, make sure the nature of the work is described correctly. A service should not be called a study unless it truly is one. Keep your Spanish tax resident certificate updated, and when withholding tax applies, always get the Moroccan withholding certificate. Keep all proof that the income is declared in Spain, and when you are unsure, speak with someone who understands both systems. In conclusion, the Morocco-Spain tax treaty provides genuine protection for companies, but only when its rules are applied correctly. The key lies in clearly distinguishing between a service and a royalty. Understanding these nuances allows European companies to operate in Morocco with confidence, security, and full compliance. If you have any questions or would like to discuss your specific situation, please feel free to contact us at Neo Expertise. We are always happy to help. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.